You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
So my name is Jessica Carfagnini, and I'm a naturopathic doctor. And I'm one of the owners of Thunder Bay Naturopathic Clinic. I grew up in Thunder Bay, and it was a big decision to come back to Thunder Bay after 15 years away to open up my clinic here, but it's the best decision I've ever made. When I was younger, I was about 16 years old when I realized that I really wanted to help people, that was my meaning in life. I wanted to make a difference, make the world a better place, but I definitely felt that desire to help individual people as well. When I decided to become a naturopathic doctor, I wasn't in school at the time. I was working at my first career, which was at the Sexual Assault Support Center of Ottawa. I learned so much there. So I was working with women who are survivors of trauma. And the way that we worked with women there was we respected that every person is the expert in their own healing. So it wasn't a top-down approach. It wasn't me telling women how to heal. They figured it out themselves because they're the experts in their own healing and in their own lives. I bring that same philosophy to my work as a naturopathic doctor. So people have their own innate wisdom, their own intuition. Oftentimes people have a sense that something's wrong and they just need a little bit of guidance, some information, maybe the right tests need to be ordered, and then they need to know what their options are. So I work with my patients very much on the same level and always respecting that they're the experts in their own health. There's a lot going on in my life, right? I'm a doctor. When I'm in front of my patients, that's my priority. That's my focus. And then when I'm with my kids, they're my focus. So that's one way that I manage is I try to be mindful and I try to be in the moment. Easier said than done. I could probably benefit from meditation, just like many of us can. But I try to just focus on what I'm doing in the moment. And it does involve a lot of scheduling and fitting things in where I can. So it's true, all three of us naturopathic doctors here, not only are we the doctors, but we're also managing our little clinic. And so all of those managerial tasks get fit in, whether it's between patients or evenings, weekends. Thank goodness there are three of us, but we pull it together and we keep our clinic running and we are able to maintain a space that is warm and welcoming, professional. We're able to give people the naturopathic services that they need. And then we're also there for our kids when they need us too. So as a naturopathic doctor, I have many interests and I'm happy to help anyone who comes to me. But I do have a special interest in working with fertility. So if it's a person or a couple who are ready to expand their family through pregnancy, I really like helping them with preconception healthcare and then optimizing fertility, which then leads into prenatal care and then eventually pediatric care for their children. I chose Thunder Bay because I grew up here. My family is here, aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents. I love this place for the people, but I also love it because of the proximity to nature. We've got the glorious Lake Superior and we have so many beautiful inland lakes. And we're lucky to have nature trails right in the city. So just being able to be near trees and all these outdoor recreational facilities. So some of the patients that I'm working with are dealing with a cancer diagnosis. And this is a special interest of mine, is to help people along when they're dealing with cancer. So I always support people in following the recommendations of their medical oncologist. So whether it's surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, I believe that naturopathic medicine can help them do well through those therapies. And when those therapies have done what they needed to do, naturopathic medicine is still there for them to help them feel energetic, whole, and as vibrant as they can feel. So regardless of what stage they're at with cancer, it's always worth looking into naturopathic medicine because there's so much that we can offer to help people be as healthy as they can be.